Hey, welcome back to Two Stall Garage. Today over here in the distance there are some vehicles and we've got one of them. We're gonna do a save or scrap today. Save it, put it back on the road, hopefully. Scrap it, move on, maybe next time, but not today. All right, let's get going. It's a little ways up here. Can you guys tell what it is yet? Lots of tall weeds and trees. I'll meet you up at the car. Made it. All right. Here it is. I know you're not surprised because you've seen the thumbnail. I believe this is a 1992. Maybe it's a 90. I'm not sure. Either way though, and look at the space in those bumpers that they put in there. This is a Dodge Omni. If you're having any dreams of it being a GLH, well, I hate to break it to you, but it is not a GLH. There's your Omni badge. This actually says it was last licensed in 2016. That's way more recent than I thought it was. So that would be, what would that be? That'd be about 6 years ago. I can't believe it was last licensed 6 years ago. I don't even know if that can be correct. I think this has been stored for longer than that. We'll check it out and see. Unfortunately, the back window looks like it's been shattered. Doesn't look like it's been shattered, it is. Weather stripping looks okay. Back not too long ago, maybe a few years ago, I heard about the GLH, probably several years ago actually, and always wanted a Dodge Omni GLH with the turbo, but that's not what we have to work with. So if we're going to live out some GLH dreams, maybe not the actual model, but maybe a very similar build as far as the engine goes, this could be the one. I got permission from the landowners to come back here and take a look. Still got the mirror. It's got a little dent right up here in the fender. Is that supposed to come all the way out like that? It must. Got your body line right here, and then still got your hubcaps, center caps. That tire's holding air. Windshield wipers. Last oil change is 2008. We'll have to see what this one says right here. I can't tell. That would seem more like it from the story that I've heard, as this car hasn't been on the road or licensed for quite a long time. 2008 would be 14 years, and that would make more sense. Got both the tail lights each side. A little bit of moldings coming off right there. Is there 2 license plates on this? Just one? Spidey, excuse me. Old wasp nest in there. All right, we're gonna sneak around. So far none of the doors open up. Got our blinker right here. It's open. Oh yeah, now it's gonna work, right? Nope. Oh, and last one doesn't have a door handle. It doesn't have a window either, does it? Oh, let's see. Looks like it does not have a window. Let's see if we can get stung by a spider. Hey, that one opened up. A little rough in here. Got your Omni badge. Ew, what's this? Looks like it was something to keep the weather out. Oh, that's not broken. Glove box works. Lots of spiders. Gotta love the bucket seats that came in these and the floor shifter. Too bad it's not a manual transmission. That'd be a no-brainer. No key. Pretty typical headliner is falling down. Key anywhere? Okay, I'm gonna reach into the spider webs here and just move this. Sorry guys. Yuck. Thanks. There's the rear view mirror. Okay. Actually checking underneath the floor mats, see if there's any sort of keys, but I don't see anything. Here's your defrost. No, this is, what is this? Wiper spray, wash delay, rear heat on off, radio. All the buttons seem like they work. Little hole down there. Well, I'm going to try to open this door from this side. Get it. There we go. Stay. Look at those gauges. .201, 159. Let's get your tachometer. Over here you got your water temp, fuel, voltage. What this is. Ooh, it slides. Everything seems to work there. That's surprising. That's still good. Any keys in there? Don't find the keys, it becomes a whole lot harder. It looks like this can go right back in there. It's messy. Lots of change, no keys. Push this down on these shifters. Park, neutral, first. Huh. Well, interesting. Does it go in the park? There we go. See if we can open this back door. There we go. All right, here it is. It's messy in here. Two windows busted out, especially that back one. Gonna have lots of rain in here. Still don't see any keys. Does have the airbag. Makes me think this would be a 92 or 91. Glass shards all over. Door handle's busted there. Otherwise the door moldings are in good shape. Door panels. Huh, that actually looks like it's still good. Rear view mirror. Look at this, third brake light. Awesome. I am just gonna try to see what's in here. See if we can. Speakers. You guys see any keys back here? I do not either. Rear defrost. Well, let's take a look here. What is this? Date of manufacture is 1 of 90. So this is probably a 90 model. Manufactured in January. Come out just after the new year. I am not going to sit down on these seats because of all the spiders. Not that, not deathly afraid of them or anything, but no reason to do that. Light switch works. Horns. Does this have cruise control? I wonder if it did. I don't think so. Well, let's see. Let's check it out here. What's this? Wash. Oh, so that's for the backwash. Not backwash, but you know what I mean. Really like these dashes. Well, any keys under here, hopefully? Nope. How about underneath the floor mat? Oh man. Converse, 1 star. No keys. So, let's take a look at that cylinder. We could probably replace that fairly easily. Pretty cheap online. Make sure the hood's popped here. Looks like you had some speaker wire running. That just comes right off. It's seen its better days. Probably still be able to find these from yards down in Texas, someplace like that. Grill seems like it's in good shape mostly. This right here is busted. Brittle, could be fixed. And this whole thing could be fixed and repainted. I think this used to be chrome plated maybe. This one's busted too, no turn signal on that side. Bumper's in good shape. It's crazy that they have this big a gap in there. There must be something that used to go there that's missing. Not too familiar with them. Just imagine how fun it would be to have this thing working properly, great AC, good running motor. Just for fun, you know? Put it back on the road. Road. Where is this? Anybody? Where is it? Right here? 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 How does this thing come out? Anybody know? Here it is. All right, here it is. I would have to believe that the last time it's been run was a long time ago. There's no coolant in there. It's not a great sign. But where's the overflow at in this hot rod? Here it is. Nothing in the overflow either, so let's check the oil out. That's the next thing. Oil looks okay, no fluid other than oil in there. No coolant. Oy vey, look at this. It is nasty rusted in there. Oh my goodness. That is not a good sign. I can't even tell. Yeah. I mean, it's got plenty of oil in it, but doesn't look great. Definitely had oil leak. Check the air filter out. Let us see. Well, yeah. Well, maybe. Stand by. All right, let's see what's underneath this if we can get it. These are pretty hard on there. Holy mackerel. Boy, I'm not gonna injure my hand. I injured my hand the other day in the shop and haven't been able to get back out there since. Oh man, it is bone dry on brake fluid as well. This car is not hitting on any cylinders. Possibly literally, other than the oil looks like it was filled up. Lots of vegetation. Power steering fluid over here. There he is, power steering fluid. AC compressor was hooked up at the time it was parked. Boy, oh boy. This looks tough. Wonder if it's got any windshield washer fluid in there. None. It's been sitting long enough where all these fluids have dried up, or it was just totally shot when it got parked. I don't know about this one. We're gonna go with this 194,000, 046, last oil change, 06, 04, 2008, June 4th, 2008. So I'm gonna wrap this one up, I think. I know it looks rough. Hey, look at this. Oh, saver scrap. This one definitely causes it to be saved, huh? Look at that. Is it broken? Oh man, it's broken. I'm just gonna put it right there and pretend. One thing we gotta try is we gotta actually try to turn that ignition switch, see if it works. You ready? Uh-oh. Negative. Okay. So there is one last look. I don't think that's accurate. If it is, it means it probably got licensed and not driven. Tripometer says 20 miles in there. I find it hard to believe that this would have drove 20 miles before it got put away for good, but maybe. Story is it ran when it was parked. Story is it had a key when it was parked. Doesn't anymore. So we got a little bit of work to do if we're going to try to save this thing, and by a little I mean a mountain, just a small mountain. So I just want to say thanks so much for hanging out, watching this video today. We do appreciate it. What are you going to do with this? Are you going to save this Dodge Omni? Don't see him very much anymore. Really hardly at all see him. Or are you just going to walk away from it? Certainly brakes are in trouble, no coolant. Oil seemed okay. Windows have been broken for how long, I don't know. Lots of moisture inside, no key. Oh yeah, the rust underneath that valve cover, that's the worst of it, I think. Boy, oh boy. I'm still gonna fall on the side of save on this. And you guys let me know what you think and tell me why. Appreciate all that feedback. Have a good one. We'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.